Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to disable Windows Update. Some people are watching this are still wondering why they want to stop Windows Update, and the reason behind this is the bandwidth. As you know that not all people have the unlimited plans, so Windows download lot of updates which consume lot of data. So it's better to shut down Windows Update or at least temporarily disable them for later. So in this video I'm going to show you top 2 methods which will surely helps you to disable the Windows Update. So let's get started. First of all, go to your Wi-Fi, click on the properties settings. Now scroll down and turn on the meter connection. This meter connection will disable the Windows Update for temporary basis. If you disable the meter connection, your updates will start downloading again. So it's pretty simple, and this trick if doesn't work for you, then open the start menu and type services. Open the services. Find the Windows Update here. This is running now. Now here you can start it. I have already stopped it. Now it's running. You can disable this. Startup type, disable it, stop it, and apply it. Okay. Yes, now if I check my Windows Update, it will give me this error. It means that your Windows Update has been disabled. Now if you want to re-enable it, go to the Windows Update again, turn it that automatically, start them, click OK. Now let's check it out. Yes, now you can see that my device is up to date. If you have any updates, it will start downloading. Pretty much that's it. If you have any problem, comment down below, and please like and subscribe my channel. That's all about it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.